How you doing, shorty? I see you, Miss Marilyn Monroe.
What's up, guys? I'm back with another one from Outre. Bald cap is already done beforehand, y'all. Somebody sent me and I need to find these. This is Outre Velora, by the way. Didn't I do that hairline? But anyways, what I was saying about the bald cap, it's super thin and it came that way, and I need to find those because it came in a box of one of my wigs, and I was like, wait a second, this is a little different right here. I need these. Anyway, so I'm tinting the cap and I'm just using my pressed powder to do that, and I've got the wig on. Do y'all see how thin this lace is? I am shocked and amazed. Like, this is the best lace, human hair or synthetic, I've ever seen. For real, for real. Like, this lace was so thin. Velora's got it. I don't know if they've done that to all the current wigs from Outre. Excuse me, Outre. I forgot. We've been pronouncing it wrong all these years. Outre. I don't know if that's been going on with the current wigs they've been doing, but I know Velora got it. That's what I do know. Wow, like, I'm just amazed. Anyways, I'm pressing the wig into my skin and, you know, just marrying the lace to the skin. And I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it on my head before I cut the lace off because it makes my life a whole lot easier. I'm trying to leave a little... Y'all see that? It didn't throw me off track. Anyways, I am going to go ahead and cut the lace. You know, I cut jagged. I'm trying to include a little bit more footage because I was at a wedding this weekend and my friend was telling me, like, I make this look like a little too easy. Like, too easy to when people go to try it, it don't turn out the same way. So I'm trying to add a little bit more footage because I didn't want to be redundant, you know? Like, I've done so many videos. I didn't want to give y'all the same exact steps every time because I don't really change what I'm doing too much. But you know what? I can add a little bit more in so y'all can get a full look of what I did to put this wig on. So I'm adding a little bit more of the ebony spray onto the lace just to tack it back down where I was cutting at it. And y'all see how that's just melting back into my skin? Like, I kid you not, I'm gonna keep talking about it. This is the best lace I have ever tried. Like, it's not messing with like any of these other laces you can think of, even from like the really good quality companies. This is topping it. I like, even in person, I cannot really see the lace. Like, this was the best lace ever. Sis does take to heat, but don't leave it on too long or put it up too high. I had mine on about 10 on my hot comb, so not up too high, but you can see it kind of like messed with that one side just a little bit. So move quickly, don't leave it on there too long. Also, this hair texture is amazing. I wouldn't call it kinky. Like, it's not a kinky straight or a yucky, but it does have some coarseness in it. It reminds me of how, I think it was Model, a lot of their wigs used to have like a straight but coarseness in the texture. It reminds me a lot of that. But I've noticed Outre's been doing that a lot with Outre. I'm gonna keep messing it up, y'all. But I've been noticing Outre has been doing that a lot with their units. They have a lot of texture and body, and it gives it more of a natural, non-synthetic feel. I like that a lot. So I went ahead and did a middle part with this unit. Y'all, it was coming out so professional looking. It's giving human hair for real. Like, this does not look like I'm showing y'all a synthetic wig. I am amazed. By the way, this is a 360 wig. It's not just a 13x6 frontal. It does have the 360. I didn't have my mousse that I usually use, so I went ahead and just dusted it with some pressed powder. And also, to tell you the truth, I didn't need much pressed powder because the lace is so thin you could barely see it, so it didn't take much to tint it at all. Listen, as y'all can see, I'm very hyped about this lace.
How you doing, shorty? I see you, Miss Marilyn Monroe.
The fact that your voice can get that deep.
I see you, Miss Marilyn.
So this was my final result. It came out amazing. I love how many layers was up in this hair. I didn't have to pull out the scissors or anything, but you could pull out the scissors if you wanted to be a little bit shorter and cut it where I was just showing you. If you want a shorter look, because I know some of y'all like a little bit of a shorter look. But anyways, you want to pick up a Velora, and you should. Highly recommend it. Links down in the description. Thanks, you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.